In this video, we will talk about how to install Windows 11 from USB in HP laptop. First, we need bootable Pendrive. For that, either you can buy it or you can create one. I have mentioned the link in the description. Once you have bootable Pendrive, simply boot your PC with Pendrive. Every laptop has different keys to boot laptop with Pendrive. I've mentioned it in the description. For HP laptop, it could be Escape key or F9 key. Once you have Select Boot Device screen, select your Windows bootable USB and press Enter. From here, select your language settings, then click on Next. Select your keyboard and setup option, keep Install Windows 11 and check I agree everything with be deleted box. And click on Next. For product key, you can select I don't have a product key. Then select your Windows operating system as per your requirement. Here, I am selecting Windows 11 Pro. Then click on Next. Accept the license terms. From here, you can create partition on your drive, or you can install Windows 11 on your same drive. If you are wondering what will happen if you reinstall Windows 11 on the existing Windows 11 drive, then you don't need to worry. Windows will show you an option of Windows.old folder from where you can retrieve your data. Now click on Next and select Install. Here you can see Windows 11 installing process has started. It usually takes some time, so let me fast forward it. After installing Windows 11, it would ask you some options. Then start checking for updates. Add the information to name your device and click on Next. On Setup screen, select your option as per your requirement. For me, it's for personal use, then click on Next. Let's fast forward it again. Once you will be on this screen, you can sign in with your Microsoft account, or you can create local account. For that, I have mentioned the video link in the description. You can bypass Microsoft account, sign an option very easily, same as you can see on your screen. So that's how you can install Windows 11 from USB in HP laptop. See you in the next video.